Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if f is 1 to 1, then is the inverse of f equal to 1 over f? So this is not the case. And to show why this isn't the case, we are going to use an example function, right? So we can take f of x is equal to x squared. Therefore, the inverse of f means we just have to swap the function and the x. So f of x becomes x becomes f inverse of x. And we take the square root of both sides. And the square root of x is equal to the inverse of f squared. These cancel. And we get that it's equal to the square root of x. This actually isn't the greatest example because this is not a one-to-one function. So let's just say x is greater than 0. Therefore, this doesn't become plus or minus x because we know the function is greater than 0. The square root of this is a positive number. Therefore, it's only positive the square root of x. So maybe not the best example. But even in this specific situation, the square root of x does not equal 1 over x squared. Therefore, the inverse of x, the inverse of f rather, is not equal to 1 over f. Therefore, the statement is false.